Since Gutenberg's invention of movable type over 500 years ago, print has been humanity's main form of mass communication. From books to newspapers to posters, print was how we spread information. However, starting in the 20th century, print's dominance was slowly eroded, first by radio, then television, and finally, by the end of the century, its run was ended by the combination of the internet and the smartphone. Information is now instant, personal, and in the palm of your hand. Mass media has become personal media, and in that transition we have lost a vital and vibrant form of public art as dollars chase digital and print is left to languish. But what most people don't realize is that the smartphone itself contains print. Printed circuit boards live in almost every electronic device that powers the modern age. I've set out to bring traditional printed media into the 21st century by inverting the relationship between print and electronics, turning electronics inside out, taking what was small and hidden and making it large and overt. My first experiment used a layer of touch-sensitive capacitive ink screen printed on top of an old poster I made for Girl Talk. This turned the surface of the print into an input device. I connected these inputs to a microcontroller, which in turn controlled a laptop running GarageBand, making the poster into a paper MIDI keyboard. A more ambitious version of this project was funded by a grant from Aero Electronics and the Cherry Creek Arts Festival. I wanted to make a poster similar to the Girl Talk piece, but entirely standalone. It wouldn't need to connect to a laptop for processing or power. The result is an 18 by 24 touch-sensitive circuit board, screen-printed with traditional and conductive inks. Processing is provided by 3 microcontrollers running MIDI chips and an MP3 decoder, all powered by 3 tiny lithium polymer batteries. For the 30th anniversary of the movie Predator, I moved away from sound and into light. The coolest thing about the Predator were the laser sights built into his helmet. This piece features a tiny battery-powered microcontroller that collects data from an infrared motion detector. If it detects motion within 8 feet of the poster, 3 paper-thin LEDs built into the back turn on. For Mars Attacks, I took the Predator idea a step further. Instead of simple LED lights, I built in a pair of thin OLED displays, similar to what you might find in a cell phone. Powered by a Raspberry Pi equipped with an Adafruit Snake Eyes hat, the eyes of the alien look around and dilate at random, bringing what was once a static image to life. I still have a huge list of technologies I want to play with, so keep an eye on my social media for upcoming projects.